Australia's very own coffee brand Breville is back with the mother of all coffee machines, the Oracle Jet, which is the latest in their instant mastery range of machines. This impressive unit is a fully automatic coffee machine that makes it easier than ever to enjoy a cafe-style coffee at home. Whether you're an espresso enthusiast or have never made a coffee at home, the Oracle Jet takes the guesswork out of making the perfect cup. The Oracle Jet is made for those who want the perfect cup, but also like to customize every last detail of their coffee. With thermojet heating, this machine reaches the perfect extraction temperature in just 3 seconds, and the group head heats up while the coffee is being extracted. This exact temperature control means your coffee is perfectly brewed every time, delivering a consistent and delicious result. The automatic steam one lets you texture milk perfectly at a press of a button. And if you want to go butter those pieces of toast, the Auto MilQ texturing feature allows you to place your jug of milk under the automatic steam one beforehand, so the machine knows to start texturing the milk automatically once the coffee is finished extracting. For full customization, the Oracle Jet features 45 grind settings: automatic grinding, dosing, and tamping, so you get your coffee exactly how you like it every time. This machine is packed with smart features to make your morning routine even easier. Wi-Fi integration allows for updates and new recipe downloads, while the 5-inch high-resolution colored touchscreen makes it easy to navigate through the setting and recipes. The screen even has a dark mode for those late-night espresso martinis. The Oracle Jet also offers barista guidance, reacting to your actions with helpful suggestions to perfect your brew. Whether you're adjusting the grind size or the extraction time, this machine adapts to your preferences and learns as you go. The Oracle Jet supports 10 preset coffee options and over 80 programmable coffee profiles, which means you can customize your coffee exactly to your taste. Whether you're making a babychino, a cold brew, or a classic espresso, the Oracle Jet has you covered. The built-in automatic milk wand gives you the option to manually texture milk, adding a personal touch to your drinks. And it works great with alternative options like soy, almond, and oat milk. Designed for both aesthetics and practicality, the Oracle Jet includes built-in wheels and a rounded drip tray for easy cleaning, along with updated lighting for better visibility. It's equipped with a fast water fill option and has a variety of compatible accessories to enhance your coffee making experience. You want it to look great in your kitchen though, so Oracle Jet comes in 3 colors to match your other Breville appliances. Ready to seriously elevate your coffee game? Experience the Breville Oracle Jet in person at your local JB Hi-Fi or visit us online at jbhifi.com.au.